Assalamu alaikum student and welcome to another video session of Al Iman Education System for Computer. This is fifth part of our first chapter, that is Introduction to Computer, and our today's topic is classification of computer.
Today we are going to learn about the classification of computer according to type, classification of computer according to size, and classification of computer according to purpose. Well, computer can be simply classified into three categories. First is according to type, which are analog, digital, and hybrid. Second one is according to size, which are micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputer. And the third one is according to purpose, which are general purpose and special purpose. So let's discuss each of them one by one. Classification according to type. First classification is analog computer. The input signals are in analog form, and after processing, the signals are also in analog and continuous form. The analog computer represents the data in the form of continuous electrical signals having a specific magnitude. Anything that is variable with respect to time and continuous can be claimed as analog. Just like an analog clock measures the time by means of distance traveled for the spokes of the clock around the circular dial, other examples are wattmeter and speedometer. Next category is digital computer. Input signals are also digital, zeros and 1, and after processing it, the output signals are also 0 and 1. A computer that performs calculation and logical operation with quantities represented as a binary digits, zeros and ones. The output produced by these computers is also in the digital form. Digital computer can perform mathematical calculations, organize and analyze the data, control industrial and other processes, and simulate dynamic systems such as global weather patterns. Third one is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer accepts input in the form of analog and continuous, and after processing it gives output in zeros and 1. A computer that processes both analog and digital data is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is a digital computer that accepts analog signals, convert them into digital, and process them in digital form. A hybrid computer system setup offers a cost-effective methods of performing complex simulations. Next category is classification according to size, in which first one is microcomputer. Microcomputer is small and cheap digital computer that is designed to be used by the individuals. It is built around a microprocessor, a storage unit, and an input and output channel. The microcomputer are generally in the form of PCs, workstation, and notebook computers. Its size is very small, and it can support one user at a time. Its storage capacity is very small, 512 GB to 2 terabyte, and the memory is 256 MB to 4 GB. Mini computer. A mini computer was first introduced in the year 1960 by Digital Equipment Corporations. They were called a mini computer because of their smaller size than other computers. They were actually designed for control, instrumentation, human interaction, and communication, switching as distinct from calculation and record keeping. Processing capacity. Its processing capacity is more but less than the mainframe computer. It can support more users at a time. It can have more number of input and output devices, and its memory capacity is 64 MB to 512 MB. And its storage capacity is more but less than the mainframe. Third one is mainframe. Mainframe, they were actually designed for control, instrumentation, human interaction, and communication, switching as distinct from calculation and record keeping. Its example are IBM Z series, System Z9, and System Z10 servers. Its size and its capacity is larger than mini and micro, and it can support 100 users at a time. And more input and output devices are attached to mainframe, and its memory capacity is 256 MB to 2 GB. Last one is supercomputer. Supercomputer is the fastest type of computer that can perform complex operations at a very high speed. The supercomputer was first presented in the year 1960 by Seymour Cray and Control Data Corporations. They are more expensive than the other categories of the computer. Cray Research and Intel are the well-known producers of supercomputer. Its size is very large and its speed is very fast, and its processing is a parallel processing. The application of the supercomputer are scientific research and development, means it can use in scientific researches and development. Third category is classification according to purpose, in which first one computer is general purpose computer. These computers built for a great variety of processing jobs. Simply by using a general purpose computer and different combination of software, various tasks can be accomplished, including writing and editing, just like word processing, manipulating facts in a database, tracking manufacturing inventory, making scientific calculation, or even controlling organization security system and electricity consumption. Next type is special purpose computers. Special purpose computers are designed to be task specific, and most of the time their job is to solve one particular problem. They are also known as dedicated computers because they are dedicated to perform a single task.
That's all for today's video, students. These are your homework questions. Do them in your notebook. Long questions, short questions, and MCQs. Thank you and Jazakallah.